One of the most powerful cordless vacuums on the market just got better. Here's the latest by Dreame Tech, another company linked to Xiaomi and being great about vacuum products. T30. Let's inspect. Okay, I've always wondered when looking at vacuum cleaner reviews, what is to be liked about them? I mean, they're supposed to have good suction, to be easy to use, and to have battery life that won't let you down. Well, the Dreame T30, it not only covers all that, it's just crazy good. Every single piece inside is meant to be future-proof and reliable, and spare parts are so easy to find in case you need them. Price-wise, this is the most expensive Dreame product ever, but it's still $200 off the top-end Dyson V11 model, and I can confirm that it's a lot better than it. So let me quickly show you what you can do with it. From the unboxing, it's pretty obvious that with so many accessories, Dreame have enabled you to clean any spot or corner at home. The model is building on top of the predecessors. It's a bit lighter, it's more powerful, it's much smarter, because now we have a sensor inside which monitors the amount of collected dust and lets you know when you need to offload. Among the many accessories, you can see we've got all that it takes to be great at cleaning. In fact, the provided amount of add-ons is much better than this with the Mi Vacuum G10, which I kept using until now, so even though I was planning to use the Mi device for much longer, I'm actually switching to Dreame T30 right now. By the way, if you wonder, unfortunately accessories are not cross-compatible, neither are the batteries, only the HEPA filter seems to be the same, which is still something. The most remarkable characteristics in a nutshell now: up to 90-minute runtime, 190 air-watts suction power, detection of dust level, 150,000 RPM motor, multi-purpose brush, advanced filtering system with detachable and washable HEPA filter, weight of just 1.6 kilos. Add to that the replaceable battery and the awesome accessories, and the pack feels really great. When it comes to cleaning performance, every time you're going to like the results. You have options to switch between the suction modes, 3 suction grades for most accessories. During the past weeks, it's springtime over here, so there's a lot of dust and blossoms coming from the trees. Cleaning the balcony now takes just a couple of minutes. Bookshelves, keyboards, carpets, the T30 likes all kinds of surfaces. One of my favorite mods is the main brush because of the auto-sensing technology and automatically increasing the suction power when it detects a carpet. And also, you don't need to switch brushes for different surfaces. This V-shaped design is universal and does great. Switching between the add-ons is super simple. Really nice to see that Dreame have included powered elbow, allowing you to easily access under hard-to-reach furniture, like beds. And, of course, the Might tool, perfect for mattresses and any kind of furniture. You won't believe how much dust may come out of the sofa after a couple of months. The grip felt really great to me all the time, and the height is comfortable for people taller than 150 centimeters up to 2 meters. Solid clicking mechanisms, and all the accessories are of excellent quality. But my favorite feature of all, the battery. Look at it, it's detachable. You can order a spare one, keep it charged just in case. In my opinion, this is the most significant advantage of the T30. You know that if the battery degrades in 3 years' time, you can just order a replacement and it's gonna feel like a brand new. So at the end, I do consider the T30 by Dreame Tech to be the best $500 cordless vacuum because of everything we said so far. There are only 2 drawbacks I can think of. No LED on the main brush. It's not a common feature anyways, but I like the idea. And the price is a bit too steep for some people. But don't forget that the Dreame T10 is about half of the price and covering major part of the strong sides of the T30. So I do hope this was all useful, and as usual I helped you to make the right buying decision. If the video was fun to watch, please return the favor by hitting the like button, share the video with friends, and I'll see you in the next episode. Bye!